Dr. Rodman with Sports Chiropractic. We're going to call this video today, Ease into Your Movement. So one of the most common reasons for non-traumatic injuries is people that do not ease into their movement. For instance, when you're laying down for a while, sleeping 6 to 8 hours, and you suddenly get up and move kind of quick. Or you're sitting in the car or sitting at work for a long period of time and you just get up, or sitting at a restaurant. A lot of these are the kind of complaints that we hear in our office. I was just getting out of bed in the morning and I had this pain, or I got up from sitting at work or this restaurant, or I was playing a sport and I was sitting on the bench and I got up. So why does that happen and how can we make it better? So one of the main reasons why this happens is because of fascia. Fascia covers all of our muscles and kind of connects them. It's our connective tissue, our envelope of all the muscles in our body that actually encompasses it, envelopes it, and connects them as long chains. And fascia is what they call a viscoelastic structure. Elastic means it stretches, visco, that it has a viscosity or a gel-like component to it that actually, when we don't move for a while, gets kind of thick and sludgy. But as we start to move, things get better. So you kind of hear some people, yeah, it hurts for a couple minutes when I get up in the morning, then I start to feel better. That's because as we start to move, we actually increase the temperature in the tissue, in the fascia, and it warms up and it thins out that fascia. The viscosity thins out. So ease into your movements helps you to get the fascia loose. But also, if you notice that you're having problems sitting to standing or laying down for a while, if you're having problems when you're stiff and not moving for a while, that's a sign that you want to come in here to Sports Chiropractic, because your tissue layers are not sliding very well. There may be some stiffness, some adhesions between the layers of tissue, something that's stuck or stiff that we can help you out with. So if you're noticing that you're having some of these symptoms, definitely come in. This is one of the main things we can help you with, and we can identify some of the causes of these problems and help you to create solutions outside of the office to fix them long term. So I hope you learned about easing into your movement, learned a little bit about fascia today. If you have any problems or injuries, we'd love to help you here at Sports Chiropractic. Dr. Rodman, have a great day.